everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have my dog here. Come here. I wanted to make this video as a follow-up. There he goes. You can sit right there. As a follow-up from my previous video regarding the Deminuage Nanopen. So I wanted to follow up my results and tell you guys my experience using this for about 3 weeks. So I will insert some before and after clips probably somewhere throughout this video so you can see the results for yourself. But it's crazy because this thing is amazing. So at first I was a little bit hesitant or apprehensive about using it because anytime you hear about like needling, even if it's nano needling, it sounds a little bit daunting because you know the word needles can be daunting, but it really is like so gentle. Take it from me because my skin oftentimes breaks out or reacts or gets super red when I'm using something new. I can honestly say I've had nothing but amazing results with this product. It's fantastic. I feel like I look more awake, my skin looks rejuvenated, it feels smooth, it's very supple, it just feels amazing, and I love how it just kind of glides over my skin so nicely. It feels so luxurious. The serum is awesome. The serum did not make me break out at all. Their serum is very, very nice, and I love the consistency of it. It's like very liquidy and watery, but when you use it with the pen, it glides over the skin nicely, and then the serum definitely soaks up into your skin so well. There's like no leftover residue. It just feels soft, smooth, and hydrated. I feel like it did help with my dark circles too. As you age, you just, tend to have more issues with like fine lines and dark circles or wrinkles, whatever you may deal with. My thing was dark circles on my eyes. So I've been dealing with, just having a little bit more tired looking eyes. So I definitely feel like this really helped lift and also take away some of that coloration that was my issue with my dark circles. So it just made me look more fresh and awake. So nothing but great things to say about this product. I'm going to continue to use it. Obviously you have to keep purchasing the nano chips because you will run out, and that's what you need to use. And it's a one-time use kind of thing because you don't want to reuse them because then it becomes unsanitary. It defeats the point here. So you want to make sure you're just using one nano chip per use, and it obviously goes with the Nanopen. So you have the Nanopen, you just need to use the chips. So I will leave my referral link down below. Definitely use that to purchase your own if you're interested. And I also have a coupon code listed down there as well to give you about 10% off, which is awesome because this product goes for about $169, I think, for the kit. There's a couple of different kits that you can get. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you didn't see my first video about the Deminuage pen, definitely check it out. I'll link it somewhere in a card up here. And yeah, I'm happy with my results. I hope you enjoyed seeing my before and after and found it helpful. If you have any questions about this product, definitely leave it down below in the comment. And I would love to get more in depth if I didn't answer something or a concern or a question that you have. I mentioned in the other video that this is acne friendly. I have breakouts that I get every once in a while, so it did not irritate like any pimples that I had. If anything, it made my breakouts go away. Actually, it really helped my skin to clear up and look more glowy. So I'm very happy with this product. So happy that Deminuage reached out to me. Thank you so much, Deminuage, for working with me. I love your product, and until I see you guys in my next video, love you, bye.